In our system, we meticulously monitor both the CPU and enclosure temperatures to prevent any risk of overheating. For the enclosure temperature, we utilize the DHT20 sensor, renowned for its accuracy and ease of installation. This sensor is readily available for purchase on platforms such as Amazon. In our setup, we've extended the sensor cable to allow for flexible placement, ensuring that it can be installed in a location that provides the most consistent and reliable readings. The DHT22 sensor seamlessly integrates with the Raspberry Pi, connecting directly to the GPIO pins. It requires connections to the 3.3 volts pin for power, a ground pin, and a specific GPIO pin for data transmission. Our experience has shown that this setup provides an exceptionally reliable solution for temperature monitoring in our system. We employ a custom-made Python script designed to transmit the temperature data collected by the sensor directly to our database. This setup allows us to graphically represent and monitor the temperature trends over time. Currently, we are in the testing phase, meticulously checking all wiring and connections to ensure that the setup functions flawlessly.